What was a planet is now a tiny, miniature dwarf planet. There are a lot of mysteries about Pluto that have not yet been solved by scientists. The cold-hearted dwarf planet named Pluto. The freezing cold dwarf planet called Pluto has a diameter of 1,500 miles. It is a little smaller than the moon of Earth, our home planet. Pluto, the dwarf planet, used to be the ninth planet from the Sun, but since it was reclassified as a dwarf planet, it is now one of the 5 dwarf planets. The Sun and Pluto are about 3.66 billion miles apart, but it does not stay the same distance because Pluto can go inside Neptune's orbit. Pluto is named after Hades, the Greek god of the underworld. Hades is the brother of Zeus, the Greek god of lightning. Pluto is named after Hades because Pluto is so cold and dark, just like the underworld. Pluto's year is a long year. Pluto takes a long while to revolve around the Sun. It takes 90,625 Earth days to revolve around the Sun. One Pluto day is equal to 6 Earth days in 9 hours. Compared to Earth, Pluto's days are much longer. If you were 1,000 years old on Earth, you would be 4 years old on Pluto.
Pluto has 3 satellites. They are Pluto's moons. There is Charon, Nix, and Hydra. Charon is half the size of Pluto. Pluto is made with methane, ice, and nitrogen. Pluto feels like a cold, hard rock. It feels like that because of what it is made out of, and because it is so far away from the Sun.
Weather on Pluto is freezing cold because it is the farthest from the Sun. In the day, Pluto's temperature can be 234 degrees Celsius below zero, while at night it can be 340 degrees Fahrenheit below zero. It is so cold that there are ice caps on the dwarf planet.
Pluto's size is 1,500 miles. Only 2 Plutos can fit into the Earth. Pluto is so small, that is why it is not a planet anymore. Pluto was named by Bettina Burney. Pluto was discovered in the 20th century by Clyde Tombaugh. It took a long time to discover Pluto because it was so far away from the Earth. It takes 248.4 years to revolve around the Sun. In days, it takes 90,465 days to revolve around the Sun for Pluto. Pluto is a very mysterious planet. When Pluto was first seen, people thought it was the next planet. We only know some of the mysteries of Pluto by Amber and Alicia.